Hello, mabuhay! Good morning, guys. So this is Jen. So for today's video, we're actually traveling to Denmark. This is my very first time traveling to Denmark, and for today, we've decided to just go by car. And unfortunately, it's like 9 to 10 hours drive from Netherlands to Denmark. So we leave early from Netherlands. It's actually like 5 a.m. in the morning. As you can see, the sun is just almost rising. So it's like very beautiful view. So after a very long drive, you'll definitely know that you're already in Denmark if you see this very long bridge. So this is actually, guys, the Horizon bridge, which is, according to Wikipedia, it's a combined railway and motorway bridge across the Horizon Strait between Denmark and Sweden. And it is the longest in Europe, with both roadway and railway combined in a single structure. So we've decided to stay on a place called Møns Klint. So it's actually far from the city center of Copenhagen. So from Møns Klint, it's 2 hours drive going to Copenhagen. And we do some research that it has a very beautiful view there. So I'm actually very excited to explore Møns Klint. And we're just going to stay on a camping site. We bring everything. We bring our tent, and we will stay there for like maybe 2 to 3 days. And of course, I'm very excited. I'm going to show you the beautiful Møns Klint, so please bear with us. So this is Møns Klint, guys. So this is the view from the top. So actually, Møns Klint, according to Wikipedia, is a 6-kilometer stretch of limestone and chalk cliffs along the eastern coast of the Danish island of Møn in the Baltic Sea. Hi, guys. So we are now here at the Møns Klint. Yeah, Møns Klint. Well, this is the largest staircase in Europe, but unfortunately it is closed for the meantime, so we cannot go down in the sea to using this stair. Yeah, but, so from here you go there, go until you reach the sea. How long is it? How many kilometers? 2 kilometers? Oh, that's a lot. So guys, we actually found this another staircase which is accessible for us to be able to go down on the shore. So it's so if you, as you can see, I'm already very excited to just go down. Just the little kid. So yeah, my loving husband just do the filming. Also there. Huh?
This is the camp.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe when I lost some weight.
Can I try that?
Honey, we have it very nice. We have it way better in the Oldenzaal. You can do that, and you can really climb through the trees like an obstacle run.
Promise me we're going there.
Yeah.
Promise?
Promise. Honey, the wood is very soft when I stand on it.
No?
I don't trust it.
Then better distrust yourself.
Huh?
Distrust yourself. Then you can do So guys, actually this is just the beginning of the stairs, and after this stairs it's actually like the if you wanted to explore another nature, for example, so the museum is there, and afterwards you need to begin again another stairs that will bring you now closest to the shore or to the sea. So yeah, we're not going anymore to the museum because we just wanted to explore the there at at the sea where and we can walk next to the ocean. So yeah. And here we are. So we're very very close now. We're actually already almost. We can already see here the very beautiful cliff, and also the ocean is very beautiful.
Walking on the beaches of Møns Klint. Walking on the beaches of Møns Klint. Very nice.
Very nice.
From the camping, we walked to the first vantage point, and then over all the cliffs up here, through the forest, all the way to the geo center of Møns Klint. And then we walked into the ocean, on the beach. And now we're walking all the way back to some stairs. It is very pretty. And we met some people that we took a picture for. And we just came across them again. And we asked if you can walk all the way on the beach to there. And they said yes. So we're walking. Something like the chalk rods from like Normandy, but you can also see layers of stone. I don't know what layer this is, but this is very hard stone, very sharp stone. As you can see in layer all the way here. You can see this kind of stone. Very sharp, very hard, very black.
But the is like part of the stone, right?
Yeah, it's very sharp.
Yeah, it's like granite,
I don't know what it is.
right?
But you can see the whole layer that runs through the mountain or the cliff. Oh, very pretty. And we're trying to hunt some fossils. You can see. You have to wash your feet a little bit. It's okay. Very nice.